Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Booksy app on your device. So as we know that Booksy makes it easy to book your self-care appointments anytime anywhere so that you can get on with your day. So to log in Booksy you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to go to the app Booksy. So after clicking on that, this is the very first home page of this app Booksy, and to enable location service you need to simply go to the next. After clicking on the option next, you need to click on the option get started, and after that you need to simply verify yourself. First, show me service for as I am a woman, so to get the service you need to select these options. So you can select for women, men, or everyone. I would like to go to the option everyone, which is at the very last. After clicking on that, you need to again click on the option next, and again you need to click on the option next. Allow ask app not to track, and again you need to enable your reminders. You need to click on the option next again. So this is how your Booksy first homepage is on your device. So to log in this app you need to click on the option profile at the very bottom left, and after clicking on that you can see the options over here. So to log in your account in this app you need to simply enter your email over here, and after entering your email you need to confirm your email, or you can also log in with your Apple ID, you can also log in with your Google ID, or you can also log in with your Facebook. And main thing is you need to select your state in where you are living, and after clicking on that only you can book your appointment as your time. So this is how you can log in Booksy app on your device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.